So slowly the wall holder is filling up with main lines and premiums as well. Well, the long cards. Can't quite fit all the premiums in there because some of the premiums are massive. But yeah, long cards and main lines. That's most of my collection there, which looks quite nice. And I've still got a bit of room. I've still got a tiny bit of room there. And I've got a whole column to fill there as well. And in 2024, from this video, when I'm recording, we are 4 months into 2024. Now, I haven't brought a single Hot Wheel at all, or anything car related actually. Anything Hot Wheel or car related in 2024. That was until the other day. Not only was it my birthday, but also I wanted to treat myself. So I finally found the mystery bags, the Fast and Furious mystery bags, which there'll be a video on that soon. Thank you for Asda for paying for them with the cash pot thing where you buy stuff and you get pounds in your pots. Although they're a bit steep and they're £3 each, Asda cash pot paid for them, so thank you very much, Asda cash pot. I got them for a fat amount of zero basically. Then with these three I got from, would you believe it, Aldi, the supermarket. They are now doing Hot Wheels and they are on the conveyor belts, like near the conveyor belts of the checkouts. Now, these boxes were full to the brim of these Hot Wheels, and the three that I managed to get from there is the Audi Quattro, the Mustang Boss as in the Falcon edition, which is really nice, really like Falcon, and then Pajero Evo from Mitsubishi, which inspired me to get this from Japfest, which we went to a couple of weeks ago, and there's a video on that, so if you haven't seen that, make sure you go and see it. And I had a fun time going through all the boxes. There's 5 different checkouts, so 5 different boxes, although I believe these are still last year's ones. I hadn't got them, but now I've got them, so they'll go nicely in the wall holder. And just like that, nice place in the collection, where they'll be one day put into the archives for the future to see. What else Hot Wheels wise did I get for my birthday? So I got the new 2024 Neon Racers set, which is quite nice. So shout out to a good friend of mine who managed to nab me the set and presented them to me on my birthday, which is quite nice. I'm excited to open these though. I've been looking for them for quite a while and managed to finally find them after a couple of months of looking. And there's some very nice cars in there, so stay tuned for a video on that one. And you never know what I'll get unless you watch the video, so make sure you go and watch it when it does come out. Staying on the same theme as Jada, we've got this beautiful masterpiece from Fast and Furious. We've got Brian's Nissan GTR R35. Look at that. How mean does that look? Look at that. How awesome. And it's proper die cast as well, no messing around. Die cast. proper die cast, no messing around. Special thanks to the one I love the most. Thank you for blessing me with this masterpiece. I really appreciate it. Not only with the neon racers was I blessed, but also this bad boy. And this is a brand new 2024 as well, which I was really excited to receive. So thank you for that. Skyline RS Turbo. How nice is that? Very nice. And will look dapper in the collection, of course. So let's go and put it in there. There you go, it's a fine art to get it in there, but it's in, secured, in the collection. Looking quite nice. Do really like that. Now, with the Hot Wheels, you struggle to find what you want. So sometimes you have to resort to other measures. And although the whole collection is actually Hot Wheels, there is one imposter among the collection, and that is this one. Although it's still made by Mattel, so it's technically still okay. And as you can see from the back there, Mazda Motor Company. We have a Matchbox, a first Matchbox going into the collection. And we've got a Mazda CX-5 in a gold. I've never seen it in that colour before, in like a sort of shiny gold. But the attention to detail actually is very good on this one, on this Matchbox. And they're all metal as well, which is very good. They're all die-cast models, which is even better, and designed for a lifetime apparently. So 100 years from now it will be in the archives, and the future will be bright and gold, basically. So yeah, pop that in the collection, that'll do. Again, a very good friend of mine presented me with that, so thank you very much for that. But it just looks weird because all the rest are blue, like the Hot Wheels, and then you just got one that's facing the opposite direction and orange. But it's a nice one to have in the collection, so gotta be happy with that.